Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's Throwback Thursday video, I am about to try and see if this throwback product will revert my hair back. And the product that I'm going to be using today is the VO5 Moisture Milk Strawberries and Cream Moisturizing Conditioner. Now you guys know that this is definitely a throwback product. This has been around for years, and I used to use this when I first big chopped, and it was a really good co-washing conditioner, so I went and bought me a new one, and we're going to see if it reverts my hair. And I have my spray bottle here from Target filled with hot water, and I have a towel and some clamps. So I'm going to section off my hair. I'm going to start in the back, and we're going to see what happens. And normally I do this in the shower, but for the sake of the video, we're going to do it right here in my glam room. So let's get started. I have my pink towel here. Now this is going to get pretty messy, so I'm going to wrap my shoulders. So I'm going to just put a little clamp right here. Clamp it. Yes. Pull my arms out so get started. All right. So working out has really towed up my hair, so I'm ready to bring my curls back, and I'm probably not going to straighten it again until it gets cold, because here in Dallas, Texas, it's still hot outside. So yeah, it's not working out for me too much, so it's time to bring it back. I've been actually thinking about cutting my hair into like a slant bob again. Done it before in the past and it grew back really fast, but I kind of missed that style on me. My hair is really it's just long, but it's not really doing much for me. I mean, it's cute and all, but I'm really thinking I might cut it. I don't know. I'll think about it some more. So first thing I'm gonna do is wet it. And it takes my hair a while to take the water in because it's low porosity, and it takes my hair a long time for water to penetrate it. So as you can see, like, water just sits on top of my hair. Don't really go in my hair for a while. I have to really work it in. I'm just gonna keep spraying it with water until I get it kind of drenched. Let's do some more combing, try to get it distributed. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the VO5, and it smells good. And why I like this one is because you see how watery it is. This is something good that you can use to revert your hair because it's so watery. And the main ingredient in this is water. So this is something that definitely reverts your hair back fast. But like I said, I have low porosity hair, so I'm gonna have to really work this into my hair before my hair actually starts to revert back. So we're just gonna keep working that in there. And it's just better to do this in the shower, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna do this right here, you know? Spray some more water. It's gonna be a while. It's slowly but surely starting to do some things. Just add more conditioner. And it's slowly starting to revert back. I have to give it time for my ends to catch up with the top, so I just have to keep scrunching it. I'm gonna go in with water and conditioner again. Watery. And their curls are back. Oops, my clamp. Oh, snap. Okay, you guys. And this is my end, still trying to curl up. Curls are back. Woohoo! Hey curls, welcome back. So that's that side. So we're gonna go ahead and clamp this side and start on the other side. I forgot that was that whole back section. And we're just gonna do this whole section at the top. Big wheels keep on turning. There, keep on burning. We're on. Get up. Do. Y'all guys excuse me. I've been meal prepping all day. I'm delirious right now. So we're just gonna swoop all this to the side. We're just gonna wet all this whole section because just don't have time for all these sections. Y'all know me. I do big sections. I try to be a quick natural. I just don't have time for all these sections, bruh. I don't. Okay, back to it. And like I said, I'm gonna go and wash this out. And I'm actually going to use probably my Aussie Moist conditioner once I rinse this out to co-wash my hair. Then I'm going to do a high puff because I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. I was gonna do a braid out, but I'll do a braid out next week. Okay? Okay. This clamp keep failing me. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Now you stay. 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 Okay. It didn't listen. Alright, so you know what? We're just gonna keep rolling. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let's see. Let's make sure you both in here. How about that? Okay. That's it. There we go. Now. Had it in there wrong. That's why. Right? Right? Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and wet her down. My front be getting heat damage. I done got heat damage. It's always the heat damage right in here in the front. I don't really care though if it is, because I'm really, like I said, I'm really thinking about cutting my hair though, for real. Hair is really overrated, y'all. Sometimes I want to Amber Rose my hair and just cut it all off. Buzz cut. All I gotta do is just brush it and go. But I just don't feel like I look right with that type of hairstyle. I don't want my head to be. Bruh. We're just not gonna worry about this, okay? I'm gonna sit this over there. The show must go on. So now I'm just gonna add some conditioner. Need one of them salon capes. I should look for that at Sally's one day. Yeah, I'm sure I can find it there. Let's go ahead and start drenching you. Ooh. Oh, you're leaking, you're leaking. Trying to get in my ear. And that's one thing I hate is water in my ear. Whew, girl, no. Okay, just don't get on my chair. Y'all don't have to do this way when y'all reverting y'all hair back. Y'all can section y'all hair. Don't follow my ways. Just watch my ways, but y'all don't have to follow my ways, you know? Do what y'all want to do. Do what works best for you, you know? This is just what works best for me. So we're just gonna keep rubbing our fingers through. I'm tired, y'all. I'm so ready to go to sleep. Let's flip this to the other side. Can y'all see the curls starting to come back? Tell this VO5, it will revert your curls for sure because it's runny and watery. That's something you need when you want to revert curls. And it's gonna bring them right on back. You just have to scrunch it. Let me take the back down. Ooh, both. Ooh. Shoulders trying to be out tonight. Not right now, shoulders. Not right now. Okay. So, let me do like a little part situation here. You don't realize how thick your hair is until you straighten it. You be like, dang, where all this hair come from? Okay, y'all, let me do one more sweep through of water before we wash her out. One more round of VO5. Take our comb. This is something y'all very rarely see me do because I hate using combs on my hair. But we gonna do it today. You know, just gonna run this comb through. I just like using my fingers. I don't like using utensils. Not utensils. Did I just say utensils? What they call combs? I don't know. I'm tired. I can't think straight right now. Oh, y'all let me know what they call combs. It ain't a utensil. I know that. Something. But this is my hair, y'all. It's reverted and I didn't get that much heat damage. Surprisingly. Normally this up here would be like really just straight. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Found it entertaining yet helpful. I'm sure it might have given some people anxiety to see me do it without sectioning it because I know some people get anxiety about stuff like that. But I thank you all for watching anyway. And as you can see, the curls are back. I kind of missed them. Do y'all find it funny that when your hair is straight, you miss your curls? And when your hair was curly and it start acting up, you miss it being straight? And then once you straighten it, you see somebody with their curls just looking bum and you be like, I miss my curls. Yeah, I went through that. The moment I straightened my hair, I just was on YouTube looking up stuff. And seeing somebody with hair like mine, I was like, I miss my curls. And now they're back. So I'm sure in about 3 more weeks, I'll be itching to straighten it again. But I'll keep it curly for now. I thank you all so much for watching, tuning into my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's very hard to grow on this platform, as you all know, and we can only grow when you subscribe. Please subscribe. You know, it only takes 1 second to hit that subscribe button. Do it. Go ahead, do it. And I just thank you all for that. The ones who do take the time to subscribe, and the ones who take the time to comment and like my video, I appreciate all of you. It's very helpful, very. So if y'all need to revert your hair, try VO5. It works really good for that. My hair feels soft, as you can see, curls popping. So I'll be seeing y'all in next week's video when we'll be doing a braid out on this hair. I don't know what product I'm using yet, but I guess you'll have to wait to see. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.